Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing this battery pack over here. Here you guys can see whatever the name is. And this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack, and it has
dual USB ports and Type C and micro USB cable compatible.
So here you guys can see the box. This is the front of it. Over here there's the back, and now we're gonna open it.
So you open it from there.
So this you can see here, and now let's open it from here. And there.
So that's what it is. So this is the battery.
This is the battery pack over here. Let's take it out.
Just move.
Okay, and here's the battery pack. It feels nice. It has like this kind of leathery texture. It's like a kind of fabric in a way. It feels. And then over here it has some plastic over here. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, but it's actually surprisingly a little bit heavy.
Yeah, it's actually it's okay. This is the cable you're supposed to charge it with. Over here you guys can see. And now let's test it out. Okay, so over here we have this USB to lightning cable, and let's charge it with this.
So I'll plug it in.
So let's plug it in.
Plug it in.
Over here, if you press it, you can see there's LEDs that tell how much charge it is. So it's very faint, so you can barely see it. You have to put it on the exact angle. And right now it shows 4. That means it's fully charged. So
let's
put it in here.
And it's charging.
And it's charging. I think it said that it charges pretty fast over here. It says 2.4 amp rapid charge. So I guess it's trying to say that it charges things fast. So Ali, this is a pretty cool battery pack, right? It feels pretty cool, and it's like you can fit it in your pocket because of how it is. It's not too wide, I guess, and stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.